Good morning, students. So today from standard 6 English medium unit 6. What is the unit name? Who I am. Who I am. I am going to revise this chapter. Revision time. Okay? So see the MCQ. Here given the paragraph and MCQ. See the first MCQ. The speaker of these lines is this paragraph. See, my mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees. But one afternoon she climbed up too, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world. So the speaker of these lines is who? Options: Radha, Dolma, Anita, Miss Bing. So this lines is taken by Radha, said by Radhas. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Second, the speaker loves to means Radha loves to what? Here given information about to climb the tree, eating mangoes, raw mangoes. So what? Climb trees. Option B is the correct answer. Then see the third MCQ. The mother wanted her daughter not to. We see the paragraph. The speaker means the Radha like to climb the trees, but her mother wanted her daughter not to climb trees. Her mother doesn't like that her daughter climb a tree, and he has fallen down. That is why her mother doesn't like to her daughter climb the tree. Number 4, when the speaker is high up on a tree, she feels what? Powerful. She feels the powerful girl. Then the last, the noun form of sensible is. Sensible is, we can sense. The noun form means here given option A. Sense is the noun form of sensible. Then next here given the paragraph and MCQs. See the MCQs. The speaker of this passage is here given the passage. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. But today that doesn't work, so we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. Okay, so here given the MCQ, the speaker of this passage is here given the voices of many persons. So the speaker of this passage is who? Option B, Nasir. Who? Nasir, talks about Nasir. The speaker's grandfather was a. The speaker's grandfather who collect the seeds, talking about seeds. So he was a farmer. He was a farmer. Now comes to number 3rd. The speaker is resentful that his family what? Spends on seeds. Spends a lot of money to buy seeds every year. So resentful that his family. Number 4, the speaker wants to what? the speaker wants to, means here the Nasir wants to learn to preserve seeds. What? To learn, the speaker wants to learn to preserve seeds. Nasir. And here the word which means opposite of preserve. Preserves opposite word is destroy. What? Destroy. Then next, here given the paragraph and MCQ. See the speaker of the above lines, here given the paragraph. Okay, who is the speaker? Now the voices of the third one. So third one is the Sarbjeet. Who? Sarbjeet. The speaker's mood is, means Sarbjeet's mood is, how? He was very angry. So mood is very angry. Then next, see the third one. The speaker's complaint is that the people do not trust him. When he became angry, why he became angry? Someone teased him or someone did something, so he was very angry. And the other peoples, when he was complained about it, the other peoples do not trust him. Sarbjeet. Number 4, the speaker counts to 10 too. Counts to 10 too. Why? He counts from 1 to 10 because of his control his temper. Control his temper. He was very angry boy. So he could control his temper by counting from 1 to 10. And the fifth one, the noun form of tell is this. See, tell is the noun form. Then next, see given the paragraph and the MCQ. The fourth speaker. The speaker of these lines is, here given the paragraph. Who is the speaker of these lines? So the fourth character is Dolma. Who? Dolma. The speaker of the lines is, here he was very ambitious. Dolma is very ambitious by reading this paragraph. See. And the third one, the teacher considered the speaker, it's reliable. Dolma is very reliable. And the speaker is sure to be a leader. One time he would be a leader. I am going to be, see the paragraph, when I grow up I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. Why? And who became the Prime Minister? Who leads someone else. So the speaker is sure to be, the Dolma will be a leader. And number 5, the noun form of do is did. D-E-E-D, did. Then next, here given the part 1 MCQ. See, all the people on earth are, here options given, but all the people on earth are interesting. They are very interesting. Number 2, Radha's favorite activity is, Radha's favorite activity what? He will climb the trees. So 2, climbing trees is Radha's favorite activity. And Nasir wants to learn. What was Nasir wanted to learn? So he wanted to learn how to preserve seeds. how to preserve seeds, because his grandfather was a farmer and every year he spent lot of money to buy the seeds. So Nasir wants to learn how to preserve seeds. Number 4, Rohit loves to travel to places like pyramids of Egypt. Rohit loves to travel somewhere else like pyramids of Egypt. Number 5, Sarbjit parents blame him for having started the fight. He was very angry boy. So Sarbjit's parents blame him. Don't start the fight. And every time he's having started the fight. Number 6, Dolma believes that she can make what? A good prime minister. Dolma believes that she can make a good prime minister. He would be a prime minister when he he will be a prime minister when he grow up. She grow ups. Number 7, the phrasal verb dive down means. The meaning of this phrasal verb means dive down means take a dip. Take a dip. Then number 8, Radha's mother could rule the world. Radha's mother could rule the world. It's the false statement. Radha's mother, not Radha, wanted to rule the world, to become what? Radha's mother could rule the world. It's a false statement because Radha wanted to climbing. He loved to climb the tree, and Radha's mother said that Radha's mother wanted that her daughter doesn't climb the tree. So it's a false statement. Then the next here given the MCQ part 2. See, Howard Gardner has propounded what? The theory of multiple intelligence. The theory of multiple intelligence. Number 2, when I enjoy listening to people, it is interpersonal intelligence. What? Interpersonal intelligence. Now number 3, dancing or physical activity involves. These two activity involves in what? Physical intelligence. Physical intelligence. Then next, see, visual intelligence implies. Talk about the intelligence. Now comes to the visual intelligence implies. Implies what? One enjoys movies. Visual, showing that one enjoys movies. Number 5 comes to the now verbal intelligence means what? So the verbal intelligence means you think in words. Verbally, you think in words. That is the verbal intelligence. You can become an accountant if you like calculation. If you like calculation, you can become an accountant. Multiple intelligence will work when and where? If you are an all-rounded, then multiple intelligence will work, otherwise not work. Then the last, an architect's job is architecture. What does the architecture do? So the architecture do to plan the design of a building. What? To plan the design of a building. That is work. So this is the revision of this unit. I hope you understand about it. Thank you.